Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will do the MCQs of Nationalism in India Class 10 History. So let's start today's video. Our first question is Gandhiji started non-violent civil disobedience movement against options are Rowlatt Act or martial law or Simon Commission or brutality of British government. Answer is Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act was introduced and Gandhiji was against the act because it gives immense power to the British government. So Gandhiji started non-violent civil disobedience movement against Rowlatt Act. Next question is main objective of Simon Commission was options are to suppress non-cooperation movement or to review the functioning of constitutional system in India and suggest changes or to arrest leaders of Satyagraha or to arrest Gandhiji. Answer is to review the functioning of constitutional system in India and suggest changes. Whatever system is going on in India during colonial period because of which so many movements were going on. So British government introduced Simon Commission to review the functioning of constitutional system in India and also to suggest the changes that should be brought in the Constitution of India during colonial period. Next question is guerrilla movement is spread under leadership of options are Siya Das or Subhash Chandra Bose or Alluri Sitaram Raju or N.C. Kelkar. Answer is Alluri Sitaram Raju. In Andhra Pradesh, this movement was spread under the leadership of Alluri Sitaram Raju. Next question is in 1921, a tricolor Swaraj flag having a spinning wheel in center was designed by options are Motilal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore or Mahatma Gandhi or Natasha Shastri. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi ji designed a Swaraj flag which has tricolor and having a spinning wheel which represent the self-help. Next question is according to the Pune Pact, options are Dalit got reserved seats in council or Hindu-Muslim rights were settled or peasants' demand were accepted or full independence demand was rejected. Answer is Dalit got reserved seats in council. This act was signed by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the leader of Dalits, and according to this pact, Dalit got reserved seats in the council. Next question is in Awadh, peasants movement developed under the leadership of options are Motilal Nehru or Subhash Chandra Bose or Gandhiji or Baba Ramchandra. Answer is Baba Ramchandra. In Awadh, a peasant movement was developed under the leadership of Baba Ramchandra. Next question is different social groups joined the non-cooperation movement with options are their different aspirations or for making India nation state or for socialism or for a common cause. Answer is with their different aspirations. Different social groups joined the movement with their different aspirations as the worker group wanted some changes in working class reducing in working hours and developing the facilities in working field, and peasants has their own demands. They wanted to reduce the revenue and the condition of their class. So different classes, different social groups have their different aspirations for which they participated in the satyagraha or the movement. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please subscribe, share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel.